This is one of the CUET 2024 question from the topic HCF and LCM. The question is, the sum of LCM and HCF of two numbers is 854. If the LCM is 60 times the HCF and one of the number is 70, then the other number is. Already given that LCM plus HCF, it is 854. And also given that LCM is 60 times HCF. So LCM, you can write it as 60 times HCF. So in the first equation, instead of LCM, we can write it as 60 times HCF plus HCF, which is equal to 854. Or HCF times 60 plus 1 is actually 854, or HCF is 854 divided by 61. So this will give you 14. So we have got the value of HCF as 14. Then LCM is 60 times 14. And also given that one of the number is 70, then the other number. Already there is a property that product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So if one of the number is A and the other number it is given as 70, then their product is equal to product of their HCF. HCF here it is 14 into LCM. LCM actually 14 into 60. So the other number it is 14 into 60 divided by 70. This is 168. So option 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.